If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys! So guys, we have our another PSA return guys. Ay putik! Tapos lang natin mag-open ng mga packs. Ay putik. From Toy Kingdom. Remember please, naka-leader tayo, di ba? Leader, AA, dalawang AA. So, ito. Massive to guys, massive. Ngayon lang kasi dumating. I mean, ngayon lang ako naka-wait. Kaya ngayon ko lang na-check. So, yan guys. Damn, we got 3 boxes. First box. Second box. And our third box. So, umpisan muna natin dito guys. So, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos. At Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Then, we do live rips at our TikTok account, Kiel Santos guys. So we have 3 main accounts, 3 accounts, Kiel Santos Hobby, Kiel Santos Rips, and Kiel Santos. So, lahat yun. Okay, first box. Let's go. Ano? Bakit? Bakit ah? Ano?
Masaya naman din ako, nakakatawa sila ng gudit eh.
Bakit?
Green Ninja, EX.
EX lang.
Sa Chaos Rising.
Ganun no, EX lang.
Hindi EX lang. Sabi nila,
Tek yan. Anyways guys, simulan na natin. First partner, Charmander PSA 10, Zoroark PSA 10, Moltres PSA 9. So halos lahat na nagpag-grade guys is bandang ano to. So mostly mga ascended heroes tong mga pinapasa nila. So Halucha PSA 10, Caldeo PSA 10, Dark Blastoise PSA 5. Ang ganda nito. Mahal din to guys. Then PSA 10, Bulbasaur PSA 9. Then PSA 10, Charmander, Mega Gengar PSA 10, another Mega Gengar PSA 10, Charizard Celebration. So next month celebration na guys. PSA 9, another 9, Macdo 9, Overflowing Affection PSA 10, case set 9, 9, 9, Luffy Anniversary Set PSA 10. Siyempre, One Piece. Pag One Piece guys, nasa 95% nun is PSA 10. Dahil sobrang ganda ng mga One Piece cards guys. Next box, medyo konti yata to. Feeling ko konti lang to. So, yung Beckett sarado na rin yung base nila. Pwede kayong mag-base sa CGC. We are offering CGC guys for Beckett. Lachas, PSA 10. Unigaba, PSA 10. Charizard, sequential but not Tendo. Grabe talaga. Starmie, PSA 9. Bubble Mew, Japanese PSA 10. Lost Origin, PSA 9. PSA 9. Korean. PSA 8. Japanese. PSA 10. PSA 10. 9. And okay, PSA 10, 9, and 7. So guys, kung may katanungan kayo, you can contact me kapag sa grading. And nagtagal na rin yung natin for PSA is 90 days. I think 90 days na for regular submission. So that's almost about submission, guys. That's long. That's insane, guys. To be honest. Hanggat marami nagpapasa, guys, panigurado tatagal at tatagal yung grading. Anyways, lahat naman tayo gusto makabalik yung cards natin ng safe. So we have a solution. Grade your cards at higher tier, but that's what you pay, right? PSA 10. Mega Frostlass, PSA 10. Wait nga lang. So 7 minutes na tayo ah. Madami kasi 54 cards kasi to, guys. PSA 9. Usually ilang minutes lang tayo kada video, di ba? Pero I think this is batch 68 or 69. That's why it's so long. PSA 9. Mega Gengar, PSA 10. Mega, PSA 9. Bulbasaur, PSA 10. Another Bulbasaur, PSA 10. Another Charmander, PSA 10. Turtwig, PSA 10. Piplup, PSA 10. Mega Dragonite, PSA 10. Gengar, PSA 10. Mew, PSA 10. Japanese, PSA 10. And this both Pikachu, PSA 9 and 10. So that's it, guys. So ulitin mo, guys, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos and visit our TikTok account for live rips. So we sell Pokemon packs, Riftbound packs, Gundam packs, anything packs you want. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us our what do you call that? Vlog channel. May vlog channel tayo, Kiel Santos Vlogs. So nandun tayo yung mga camera gears natin, dun ko i-upload. Yung mga nag-shoot na kasi yung film. So I'm learning film, guys. Yes, let's go. Peace.